back. Sadly at the end, if you watch part 2, this is Prancer. She ate the last piece of cheese. We had 2, we were going to split it, and you were supposed to watch this video to find out who got it. Prancer got 1. But, who will get this one? Okay, now I'm going to, ouch, itch my arm apparently. But I'm going to get, Buster's being little bratty. Buster, come on. Come here, you want some cheese? Come here, puppy. Come here, puppy. Come here. You have the cheese. If I can have you. Come here, my little pretty. Oh, I guess you wanted to come then. Come on, Prancer. Okay, we're going to go down the lines and see who deserves the cheese the most. Okay, Prancer. Okay. Mellow. Good boy, Mel. But didn't seem you qualified for the cheese. Did Buster eat any of it? Oh, Buster's tearing at it. Urgh. Get angry. Urgh. Prancer. Prancer's the littlest one and the girl in the family. She's also, I think, 11 minutes apart from Carmelo. He's the youngest. Buster's the youngest. Prancer's working her way. Okay, puppies, Buster, Carmelo, are you okay? Carmelo gets nervous sometimes. They both like Prancer. Okay, come on, puppies. Hey! That was caught on camera. Look at the tension between these animals. Jeez. Rah! Prancer, she's so good. Come on, puppy. Buster, get out of here. I think Buster's nice, though. She's just stressed right now. Buster's running under my bed. I don't know why. Here, Buster, here. Now be nice to Carmelo. Carmelo's scared. Now who gets the third piece? Because not everybody's equal. Come here, Buster. Are you going to be good? Because you're being bad. You never, ever act like this. You know what? I'm going to throw the cheese away. And you're going to vote, and you're going to tell me, no. I want to throw this cheese. You mind? Yeah? Thanks. Okay. No. Look at the camera. Good girl. Okay, I'm going to throw this cheese away. And you guys are going to vote who you think should get the cheese. And also you can vote on who's the cutest dog. And I'm going to make a no, Prancer, give me the cheese. Okay. Shouldn't have broke it. I'm going to make a video on your everybody's favorite. Favorite/cutest. You can message me if you're your favorite. You can message me the cutest. You can message me the funniest. Message me any category. Maybe the meanest, the ugliest, the fattest, smallest, priciest, most cuddly one. Actually, she's not. But that's it for now. And Prancer, would you like some cheese? Sorry, Mel. I just hit you in the head. Now you can have the cheese. Nope, just kidding. Bye.